Hey everybody, it feels really good to be back. I haven't made a video in quite some time now, and I just wanted to let you know that it has not been because I did not want to. It's because I have not had any time. You see all this wood behind me? Over the last 5 months, we have doubled our workforce. We went through about 60,000 board foot of red oak over the last 4 months of the year and bought some really, really cool new equipment. And believe it or not, I have a dual head moving table, like a crazy cool industrial CNC coming in a couple months, and so we'll make a video on that later on. But I have a lot of really cool things happening in 2022. Yeah, 2022 now, and I just wanted to kind of show you that I'm not gone. I'm still here. I just been working a lot, putting in 100-hour weeks for about 3 months straight, and been thinking about y'all guys pretty much the whole time. Kind of been mad that I haven't shot many videos. So just to let you know, all this all this wood that I'm going to use for other things came from the last couple months, and yeah, it's a lot of wood. So let's shoot to one of the cool new things we're going to do a video on in a little bit. Boom. So this is one of the things that we got while I was, I guess, off on YouTube break, and it is an awesome glue clamp. So we will have a video talking about this one of these days, and or if you would like to see a video of me going over this really awesome glue clamp carrier, we can do that. Now let's go over to something that it just came in yesterday. It is brand spanking new. It's not even installed yet. Let's shoot to that right now. Boop. So you're asking, what is this giant, really cool looking machine? This is a double-sided planer. It weighs 7,700 pounds, has a 25 horsepower motor on top, 20 horsepower motor on bottom, a 5 horsepower motor right here, and a half horsepower motor right there. So this is not even installed yet. It's going to get installed in a couple weeks. We're going to have a whole bunch of training over it. And then I will for sure make a video on this animal of a planer. This has like been my dream to get one of these planers for quite some time. And I'm super stoked. I was terrified whenever I bought it because it costs a lot of money. But since we've been going through so much wood, we get a giant planer like this. And I don't know, I've never seen one in person. Or I've seen one time in person, but never seen one like somebody actually own one. So I'm super excited about it, and this is going to be one of the cool things that we have coming out in 2022. So I hope y'all are excited as I am to start watching content, start making content, and learning and going along your woodworking / CNC journey. And let's get to it, guys. I hope 2022 is a great year for you, and I hope I create a lot of content for you. And I hope we continue along this journey. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And catch you next week.